Hello student, myself Dr. V.B. Sonone, Assistant Professor, MEP Samaj, Arts, Commerce, Science College, Nandgaon. Today we are going to learn basic information about general outline of plant kingdom. This is a part first. Next part is coming soon. So we will start our lecture. The plant kingdom comprises about 34,500 valid plant species on record. In many more it remain to be described. These plants exhibit huge diversity of form, structure and reproduction. Plant kingdom has vast varietal diversity and variability among all group of plants. This variability refer to genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. Plant kingdom has different plant groups. The lower plants are called cryptogams and higher plants are called phanerogams. The total estimated plant species in world and in India, each group of cryptogams include algae, fungi, lichen, bryophytes and pteridophytes. Phanerogams include gymnosperm and angiosperm. Line of plant kingdom. Plant kingdom divided into two major subkingdom. First, cryptogams and second, phanerogams. Cryptogams means flowerless, seedless plants. Cryptogams divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, for example Rixia, and Pteridophyta, for example Xylotum. Division Thallophyta again divided into three subdivisions. First, algae, for example Spirogyra. Second, fungi, for example Agaricus. Third, lichen, for example Usnea. Second subkingdom, phanerogams, means flowering and seed bearing plant. Phanerogams divided into two groups. First, gymnosperm, for example Cycas. Second, angiosperm. Angiosperm divided into two classes. First, monocotyledon, for example maize. Second, dicotyledon, for example sunflower. First of all, cryptogams. Cryptos means hidden and gamos means union. Cryptogams plants never bear flowers and seeds. That is a flowerless or seedless plants. Reproduction in this plant takes place by spores. This subgroup include three divisions. First, Thallophyta, second, Bryophyta and third, Pteridophyta. First division, Thallophyta. Thallophytes are called lower cryptogams, while bryophytes and pteridophytes are known as higher cryptogams. Thallophytes are simplest plant in structure. They obtain their raw material from the water, soil, decaying materials plants or animals. Thallophytes have a plant body that is not clearly differentiated into root, stem and leaves. He is called thallus. They do not have well developed conducting tissue. Sex organs are simple, usually unicellular and non-jacketed. There are three subdivisions of thallophytes. First algae, second fungi and third lichen. First of all, algae. The study of algae is called phycology. Algae are mostly aquatic. They are green, chlorophyll containing autotrophic thallophytic. They mostly grow in fresh or marine water or moist soil and are of various forms. Unicellular, for example Chlamydomonas, colonial, for example Volvox, filamentous, for example Spirogyra, multicellular and branch. They reproduce by vegetative, by fragmentation, asexual, formation of spores and sexual method. Sexual reproduction involves fusion of similar gametes is called isogamy. For example, Spirogyra. Fusion between gametes of dissimilar in size is called anisogamy. For example, some species of Chlamydomonas. Or one large non-motile female gametes and a small motile male gametes is called oogamy. For example, Fucus and Volvox. The algae is divided into three classes based on their main pigments. First, chlorophyceae contain chlorophyll, for example Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Volvox, etc. Second, Phaeophyceae contain fucoxanthin, for example Ectocarpus, Fucus, etc. And third, Rhodophyceae contain phycoerythrin, for example Polysiphonia. Some common example of algae include Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Diatoms, Sargassum, etc. Second, fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. They are non-green thallophytes without chlorophyll. Means chlorophyll is absent, therefore they cannot prepare their own food materials. Hence, they are heterotrophic in nutrition. They grow mostly on land either as parasite, means obtain nutrition from living organism, or saprophyte, means obtain nutrition from decaying organic materials. They may be unicellular, filamentous or multicellular. The plant body is called mycelium, which is made up of thread-like elements known as hyphae. Fungal reproduction is mainly by vegetative reproduction, by fragmentation, means by accidental breakage of the filament, and budding. Asexual reproduction by motile zoospores, that is uniflagellate or biflagellate, and aplanospore, non-motile spore, and sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes place in three phases. Plasmogamy means fusion of protoplast. Second, karyogamy means fusion of male and female nuclei. Third, meiosis, zygote divide by reduction division to return haploid condition. Fungi are divided into 5 groups. First, myxomycetes. Second, phycomycetes. Third, ascomycetes. Fourth, basidiomycetes. And last, deuteromycetes. Some common examples of fungi are penicillium, yeast, mucor, rhizopus, agaricus, etc. Third, lichen. The study of lichen is called lichenology. Lichen are interesting group of organisms of composite or dual nature. These two components of lichen body get symbiotically associated within thallus. They commonly grow on bare rocks, bark of trees, on the leaves of the plants. The algae component is called phycobiont, which is autotroph, and fungal component is called mycobiont, which is heterotroph. They reproduce asexually by producing conidiospore and pycnidiospore, and sexually by producing a distinct structure called fruiting body, which produce sex organs. The fruiting body of lichen is called apothecium or perithecium. On the basis of external form of lichen are of 3 types. First, crustose lichen, second, foliose lichen, and third, fruticose lichen. Some common example of lichen are Graphis, Parmelia, Cladonia, and Usnea. Second division, Bryophyta. Bryophyte is second group of cryptogams, that is higher cryptogams advanced than Thallophyta. They are called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they live in soil but require water for sexual reproduction. Plant body is gametophyte, macroscopic and green in color. They grow in moist, shady places. It may be a flattened thallus or differentiated into stem-like, root-like and leaf-like structure. Roots are absent but rhizoids are present. The gametophyte bear sex organ called Antheridia and Archegonia, which produce gametes called anthrozoid and eggs respectively. The anthrozoid fuse with the egg to produce zygote. The zygote produce a multicellular sporophyte. The sporophyte depends on the gametophyte. The sporophyte reproduce asexually by producing spores. Meiosis takes place during spore formation. Hence, they are haploid. The spore germinate to produce the gametophyte. The bryophyte are divided into 3 classes. First, Hepaticopsida, for example, Rixia. Second, Anthoceropsida, for example, Anthoceros. And third, mosses, for example, Funaria, Polytrichum, etc. Some common example of bryophytic plant species: Rixia, Anthoceros, Funaria, etc. Third division, Pteridophyta. The plant body is sporophytic, which is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. They usually grow in moist, shady places, on branches of tree, banks of streams and muddy places. They are the first land plants which possess vascular tissue, that is a xylem and phloem. Hence, they are called vascular cryptogams. Majority of the pteridophyte produce only one kind of spores in sporangia, and the plants are called homosporous. For example, Lycopodium. Some produce two kinds of spores, megaspore and microspore. Such plants are called heterosporous. For example, Selaginella, Salvinia, etc. The spores germinate to produce free-living photosynthetic haploid gametophyte called prothallus. The sex organ Antheridia and Archegonia are produced on the prothallus. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote which develop into sporophyte. The pteridophyta are divided into four classes. Xylopsida, for example Xylotum, Lycopsida, for example Lycopodium, Spinopsida, for example Equisetum, Pteropsida, for example Nephrolepis, Adentum, etc. Thank you for watching the video.